So check it out. Still having a lot of fun running my Lionel 2055 with magnet traction. This is the one that I swapped out the boiler front for this one with a feed water heater in it. The one that came with it had a broken marker light, and I like this one so much better. And I'd also rebuilt the smoke unit. I featured this in a couple other videos. But what's different is I found a tender on eBay for like 25 bucks, is one with train sounds in it. And it's metal, and it came with a Union Pacific shell originally. But back in 2009, I bought a Rio Grande fast freight set. It's the one that came with a Burke Jr. locomotive in it and a few Rio Grande cars. And something happened to the board, and I didn't realize more than likely that all that went bad was probably the potentiometer. Back then, I wasn't really big time into trains like I am now, and so I parted out the tender and kind of kicked myself later on when I realized probably just the potentiometer was bad. But anyway, it's great to have a working sound system in it now, and I'll probably get out that Burke Jr. sometime and run that set and feature that on a video, and because I've got some Rio Grande passenger cars too I'd like to run. But for now, you can check it out. I'm going to run it again with my 2055 with magnet traction. It runs good, it pulls good, and now this tender sounds good. Most of the tenders had rail sounds or train sounds, the early ones, had this type of shell. But that one has a metal one, and like I said, I'm just glad to have it working again. So here we go. We'll take it for a spin. And we'll pick the camera up. You see the smoke unit works really well. The thing I love about these train sound and rail sounds tender, I like them both. But the thing I really like about them is you can hook them up to any locomotive, as I've said before. And especially these older Lionel locomotives that run great anyway. And it's like you're quite the upgrade for them. It gives them new life. I think this is the nicest sounding train sounds tender I have. It didn't look like much. I took a chance on it, and I'm glad I did. I can't make the bell work because this particular transformer doesn't have that feature, but it does have a whistle. It's one of those Tech 2 transformers by MRC, one of the earlier ones. And we're going to set the camera down. Oops, sorry about that. I'll turn this a little bit. I like too how it when you slow it down, it has that nice louder sounding chuff to it. It's really just a neat tender. And so if you can get your hands on these and the rail sounds tenders, the earlier ones, they're great to have because, like I said before, you can hook up any locomotive to them. And it just gives these old locomotives a new life and brings them into the 21st century. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.